To set S Pen right and back gesture as home button in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, or S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. Select S Pen, and then tap Air Actions. Next, tap uh, right and back pen gesture icon, and then select Home. Now right and back gesture S Pen gesture icon set as Home. To use, uh, press and hold your S Pen button quickly, and then move right and back, and then release. Okay, tap and hold right and back, and then release. Now you will be go to home. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.